First-person view killer drones. The future of war is here today. As of late, I've been watching videos of Russian drone attacks taking out Ukrainians. And it looks to me like a new form of modern warfare is evolving quite rapidly on the battlefield. Now, I'm not talking about large drones that have been around a while. I'm talking about the smaller drones like the ones you can buy off the shelf of how they're being used in warfare. I found a short article off of BulgarianMilitary.com about Russia boasts FPV drone operator has killed 300 plus fighters. The efficiency of FPV drone operators has surpassed legendary snipers of the Great Patriotic War, or the war we call World War II. They highlight a particular Russian drone operator who has demonstrated remarkable effectiveness. A Russian soldier employed FPV drones to eliminate over 300 Ukrainian armed forces fighters, while celebrated World War II sniper and hero of the USSR, Valesky Zatasev, sorry if I pronounced that name wrong, claimed over 240 fascist lives. This revelation came from an instructor at the Russian Tactical, Special, and Initial Military Training Center. The instructor pointed out that training an FPV drone operator takes just 2 or 3 weeks, whereas training a sniper takes at least 6 months. A sniper must stealthily reach the combat line, find a concealed position, observe patiently, and then escape after taking down the target. In contrast, a drone operator can engage from a significant distance, providing a strategic advantage. The FPV range is much wider. FPV drone operators enjoy a wider range of target options compared to snipers. These drones can tackle fortified targets or those hidden in trenches, which traditional snipers might struggle to hit. Additionally, they can target various types of equipment, including tanks. I've seen this on video. On May 27th, Russian servicemen used FPV drones to attack Ukrainian armed forces positions in the Special Military Operations Zone, which they call an SMO. On May 25th, the Russian Military Defense reported that a paratrooper-operated FPV drone downed a Ukrainian Armed Forces Baba Yaga attack hexacopter. At least 5,000 operators. Back in January, BulgarianMilitary.com reported that Russia's Ministry of Defense had trained an impressive 3,500 FPV drone operators, a detail echoed by Russian state media in their 2023 updates. Notably, the data underscores that Russia is backing this initiative with well over 800 educational institutions dedicated to this cause. Furthermore, more than 1,500 new training positions have been introduced. This substantial figure, 3,500 FPV drone operators, highlights a significant strategic push by Moscow to ramp up this segment of its military capabilities. It indicates a strong link between the number of trained personnel and the anticipated deployment of FPV drones. The Ukrainian founder of Drone Space, Maximum Sternmet, I hope I pronounced that right, shared some thought-provoking insights on the market landscape in Ukraine and Russia. He noted Ukrainian companies produce approximately 50,000 FPV drones per month, while Russian firms produce 6 times that number. By his estimation, Russian manufacturers are churning out around 300,000 drones monthly. While these figures may be accurate, they also imply Ukraine's ambitious goal to ramp up production to 1 million FPV drones in 2024, representing a 67% increase. Experts believe this target is indeed attainable. However, it is equally crucial to develop strategies to counteract this emerging threat with urgency and speed. During his New Year's Eve address, Ukrainian President Zelensky mentioned that Ukraine would need to produce over 2,700 FPV drones daily to hit its annual target of 1 million drones. How does FPV work? An FVP, or first-person view drone, offers a unique flying experience by allowing you to see exactly what the drone sees. This is made possible through a camera on the drone that streams live footage to devices like glasses, monitors, or smartphones. While these drones are often used in civilian life for aerial photography or racing, in Ukraine they found a more menacing application. FPV drones rely on several core technologies to perform efficiently. Central to their function is the FPV camera, which captures live video. Those are the videos I've been watching online. The video signals are sent to the operator's display through a video transmitter, VTX. The display, commonly FPV goggles, receives the signal via a video receiver, a VRX. Additionally, these drones are equipped with flight controllers that ensure stability and maneuverability, utilizing tools like gyroscopes and accelerometers. When equipped with explosive warheads, FPV drones have become an essential element in Ukraine's combat operations. Operators can select and strike targets with precision. The casualties of these devices extend beyond soldiers to include military equipment, vehicles, and even fortified structures like bunkers. So it looks like drones are going to be a major factor in future wars. This is not the first time that technologies changed the landscape of the battlefield. Yet in the Civil War, the ironclads of the Monitor and the Merrimack, and rifling in gun barrels for long-range kills. World War I saw the advent of the automated machine gun and the tank. World War II saw the development of naval air power and the use of nuclear weapons. And the Korean War and the Vietnam War saw the development of helicopters and their use on the battlefield. But the videos I've seen of these things in action, man, I would not want to be on the receiving end of a drone, that's for sure, out on the battlefield today. It's a tough one out there. But hey, if you made it this far, like and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next video.